special guest today, Taylor. Say hello.
Hello.
What are we making today?
Well, we are making chicken and waffles.
What? Why are we making chicken and waffles? Because Monday
is
National
Chicken and Waffles.
Alright, so let's get everything together and we're gonna get started. Okay, so we have our waffle iron heating up, and in here we have the mixture for the waffles, which is some flour, some sugar, baking soda, salt,
Egg.
baking powder, egg, milk. We're just gonna get that nice and loosened up. And
Can I mix the butter?
Sure.
And butter.
We're going to take some of the butter from the stick.
Why is the butter so hard to do?
Get our pan oiled up. Gotta mix it, girl. Mix it, mix it. Circle, and then do it.
Waffle fact, everybody. Did you know waffles are worldwide, but mostly in Belgium?
Looks like the waffles
Are done.
Look at that waffle.
That looks delicious.
We're gonna flip it out from this crooked thing. Bam! Waffles! Okay, so we're going to take the waffle that we made and we're gonna put that aside, and we're gonna now get everything together for the chicken portion and set that up, and we're gonna take a look at what we have there. Okay, so we have our chicken and we have our mixture of walnuts, coconut sugar, and flour kind of mixed down to make it easily coated, and we are coating the chicken without any moisture, just letting it stick to it originally, both sides into a buttered pan, and that's going to help the sugar caramelize and get nice and sweet without overpowering. All right, so we have our waffle nice and flattened out. In here mixed some spicy brown mustard and some maple syrup.
Thoughts of saying I'm trying this.
Spread it out.
That's too much. And the other side is syrup. I tried to make a tiny piece.
Of the chicken. Chicken and waffles. Yeah.
Waffles!
What time is it?
It's time to taste the chicken and waffle. Yes. The waffle's good.
Mmm.
And the spicy stuff on the waffle does not taste good.
But did you get chicken with it?
Nope.
It's like eating a chicken sandwich.
I feel like I'm like one of those cooking show hosts, like tasting like, this is good. Need a little more of this, or blah blah blah. I'd say delicious. It was a little plain, like normal. It'd be cool if we like added sprinkles to it, or like made it red waffles. That would be cool. Like, you have to admit it. But
Flavor-wise.
delicious. Not the
Flavor-wise,
mustard part.
delicious.
Take 4.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe, everybody.
Thanks for sticking around and enjoying another
Snacky
Snacky
Sunday.
with us. And what do you think we should make next week?
I want to make that.
Leave a comment down below and let us know what you think we should make next.
Unicorn blondies.
Probably unicorn
Give
blondies.
it a thumbs up if you want us to make unicorn blondies.
And as normal, I'll put the recipe for everything that we made today down in the comments below. And other than that, we'll see you next time.
Waffle facts, y'all! Alrighty, the waffle fact of the day is waffles came to America cuisines in the 1600s with the European colonists. Thanks, Europe. Waffle fact, everybody.
Right, do it. Hold
Did you know waffles are worldwide?